sobrang daming discoloration sa mukha ko. That's why I always need to do a color correcting. I'm using one from Strokes. This is medium CC. This is their Spot Veil Concealer. So ako pag nagko-color correct ako, I always do here sa aking under eye. Sobrang important ng under eye kasi it will lift up, it will uplift, it will cancel out yung discoloration because of the under eye. Bluish undertone will cancel out by using peach or orangey peach na color. That's why ang ating mga color corrector for facial hairs, under eyes is mga ganitong color. So, di ba, ang daming areas kung saan ako naglalagay ng color corrector. I'm very glad na hindi pa rin ubos talaga tong color corrector ko from Strokes. Ang matagalan siya in fairness. Inuuna ko dito sa aking upper lip. Nandyan yung mustache area. Ayun, kitang-kita niya agad na wala yung kanyang bluish undertone. Na-neutralize niya yung color. There you go. Mas naging flat yung color. Then, blend natin dito sa chin. Hinuhuli ko talaga yung under eyes para at least mag-set siya and then mas maganda yung magiging coverage niya. Ayun, oh, grabe. Ang galing talaga ng color corrector. And ang ganda ng effect na nagagawa niya. So, kung sino mga naka-invento ng color corrector, pasabog po kayo. Yan. Kasi ang patilya ko, ang haba, balbasarado si bakla. So, make sure lang na blend mo siya. Walang patchy areas. Dito na ako sa under eyes. Ginagamit ko palang brush is yung ganito. Actually, you can also use much bigger brush. Pero dapat yung gagamitin yung brush is dense para at least yung product is ma-distribute and ma-blend evenly. Kilala niyo ako as also a makeup artist. So, ito, hindi ako nag-i-skip ng color corrector pag nagme-makeup ako kasi sobrang important talaga niya. And most of my clients talagang need ng color corrector. And I also use the same brand kasi trusted ko na siya. So, blend mo lang. If hindi ka pa satisfied dun sa kanyang itsura, you can blend it with a sponge. Dab-dab mo lang yung sponge mo para at least mas ma-diffuse, mas ma-lighten yung kanyang pagka-color. Katulad dito, medyo visible pa yung pagka-orange niya. So, we need to blend it. Blend ko lang ng sponge para ma-diffuse natin ng very light. Mas magiging thin yung kanyang layer. And then what I do next is I set it with powder. Of course, anong powder pa ba ang gagamitin? Device Cosmetics, the Universal Fix Bake Setting Powder. I don't know kung nag-restock pa sila nito ha. I think with their new collection with Jelly Eugenio, they have this powder in tuna. And set na siya with the banana. Hindi ako nabili ng bagong makeup kasi wala talaga akong pambili dahil kung ano lang yung resources ko na nandito, yun lang. There you go. That's how you do a color correcting.